I don't want anybody listening using that clip of me saying it on repeat while they do whatever in the privacy of their own home. I don't want anybody hearing me saying, oh daddy, oh daddy, oh daddy, over and over again from that clip. Don't do it. It's as bad as ripping your dick off. I want to make it clear right here, right now. I am against ripping your dick off and throwing it at somebody, okay? So there can be no confusion here. I do not recommend taking your dick, ripping it off, and tossing it in the direction of anyone, all right? Good. The pendulum, like this, it goes bam, 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 bam. Just like that. And if you want to play an oboe, a double reed instrument, here's what you do. You take a look at a cat's asshole, a really close look at a cat's asshole, and you do your best to make your lips look like that. You go. Then you blow. There. That's a skill that you learned. The hell have you done here? Hacker hoodie and all. Theo, if you got anything you want to share, please, the floor is yours. I appreciate you. Also a member of the Claw stream team, one of the best stream teams on Twitch. Amazing people, amazing leader, amazing everything. Leaders coming in for the.
Give me 5G.
Yeah, like let's all yeah.
1, 2, 3, team. All right, catch you later. All right, yeah, this is a fun game.
That'd be funny if Panda wants to join.
Oh, we're back. Okay. We should alter that redeem to have a different face every time. How you doing, Freedom? Check it out. Okay. Flashlights on. Stun. That link, that announcement I just posted, it is the most amazing app for holding all your links. For everything. It shows when I'm live on YouTube, shows when I'm live on Twitch, has all the links that I could ever want to share out in one location, and it's so fucking customizable. Absolutely love it. All right. Where were we on the music front? See the walk loop, make sure. Taking a step. Ooh. Watch me strut. Ooh. Here I'm a bear. Ooh. Got a big butt. Ooh. My name's Sooty. Ooh. For me to get some sleep, I think that's. Then I'm just going to keep streaming and do it again and 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 again.
Can you come here?
I'm glitching. I'm glitching.
He's glitching. He's stuck. He is so stuck right now. It's amazing.
Oh no!
It is. This is great. This is great. He's glitching out. Check this.
Oh my god! Where is he?
Irad, are you okay there, buddy?
But I'm glitching.
You gonna be okay? This one copyright infringement. So I think I'll have a redeem to impersonate Foolbox. Standing in the shower, just fuck. Fuckity fuck. No. Great Googa Mooga. I got it because I wanted a Jeep. I wanted something that I could take the top off of that wouldn't talk back. My head. It's my head. It's so big. It's like a beehive inside my brain. And then this is what I love about StreamerBot. Well, for one, probably not the first time any of us have heard that was quick. That dark really takes away from the outlines that I have, though. The mailroom. Coming soon. To a nightmare near you. Ah! Hello. Odious. Holy shit. One moment. That's better. Thank you for the resub. It means a ton to me. 14 months. Wow. That's almost 15 months, which is like 1.5 metric years. Amazing. Get the audio levels a little bit better. Excuse me. Welcome in. How we all doing? How we all doing today? We're doing something different. Is StreamerBot going? StreamerBot should be going. Yeah, StreamerBot going. Working on my website. Working on the website. Going down. And what I did was I broke everything apparently. What the hell? Where open up. There we go. Open a preview. I used excuse me. So I went into, I think I used Claude, and I used my logo, the one that's like right down there, you know, where it says my name. Used my logo, tossed that into Claude and said, design a site for me. And surprisingly, it did, and it did well. And it created mockups for me, all the components. and it gave me pretty good output that I then took and divided into different segments, and we're building it in Drupal because I don't do enough Drupal dev on the stream. And I'm, putting my face where my mouth. Wait, what? Putting my mouth where my presentation is. Yeah, is that it? 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And because I'm doing a presentation on why people don't use Drupal, and part of it is, part of the thesis statement there is because nobody talking about it except the people who are in Drupal. All right, I need to get the audio right because it's really loud. The music is really loud. Brain crapped out when not at work. I got news. My brain's crapped out. Even now? Okay. Well, I don't want it to be too distracting. Should turn on ducking. I should probably duck this shit. Yeah, I don't want it too loud. Right up and down. But yeah, I'm doing a whole slideshow about, or a presentation about why developers don't recommend Drupal and what we can do about it. And I guess I should probably use the Drupal if I'm doing it. So what I'm doing, let me see where's the other, there we go. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking the stuff and I'm taking the stuff from the static site that was generated, and I'm converting it into different components to put here. Now, one of the new features of new Drupal CMS is called Canvas. And check this. This is so cool. Like, you can take stuff and just drag and drop it. Now that's not going to actually go there, but all right. So I need to footer. Ooh, move to global region. Oh, kind of. I mean, the whole thing is we're trying to compete. right? Trying to compete with the so right now Drupal has a good firm hold, like very firm hold, like a grip, like a vice, just grab on, just really, really strong hold right there. On government enterprise type sites. But what it don't have is people wanting to use it for non-government or non enterprise sites. People don't want to use it just to learn it or to build something of their own with it. And I think that a lot of the things coming down the line with it, like, are we in CMS2? Ooh, beta. What is up, embarrassment? Here, let's excuse me. Other pre I just want to show like how easy it is now to put together a site if you've got something like DDev. Nope, not there, not there. I am gassy. There, maybe now it could be red. CMS demo. There we go. Doc web. David, what is up? Hmm. Hmm. That's interesting. Wonder if anybody filed an issue there. And if anybody got any questions about the Drupal or the PHP, ask them. I'm here. Yay, you flew away. I still need to add like a, yeah, exactly. Right on, right on. So right now, using Composer to install everything, I've got a local site or a local Docker set up here that just makes it really easy to spin up a new site or a new project. Did that. Recipe unpack. Yeah. Recipe unpack. So recipes is a newer thing in Drupal, where it does so much, like so much stuff. Let me go here. So one of the problems before was, wait, what? Where'd you go? Well, one of the things before was, difficult to move configuration between things, or like say, hey, I want to have all this stuff in multiple sites. Recipes kind of takes care of that, where what you can do, let's just look, Drupal CMS blog. Okay. So the recipe here is just this. It sets it up, adds a blog post content type listing, uses this recipe, which is another one, CMS page. Right here, installs that, installs these modules, pulls in some config, creates a user role, and does all this stuff. I like it. I like it. And so, yeah. So what Drupal CMS is versus just Drupal is Drupal CMS is the easy button. It's the one to make, instead of having to go through and clean up everything yourself, or create everything yourself, or configure everything yourself, it does all the things. So that's doing the thing. Excuse me. Come on. Go, 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 go. I know it says it takes a while, but I want it now. I want it now. There we go. Okay. Launch. And boom. Boom. Check it out. This is called Byte. This is a Mercury theme. Launch. Let's log in. Show you what it's all about. CMS. All the content, different pages. Now, if I go to edit, we have layout builder here. Or not layout builder. We don't say layout builder. Ooh, damn. Maybe I should send this theme. Had a lot of things. So this is hero billboard heading. Put a heading inside of it. And just throw a button in here. Another button there. Hero billboard. Put that there. We can move this up. What are the settings here? Background image. There we go. Overlay opacity 40. Look at that. All this just, tossing stuff in here. Latest post, that's a view. We can have the setting. Oh yeah, I'm gonna steal a shitload from here. Then yeah. Now that we did that, I'm gonna oh, so clear it all out. Clean it all out. Excuse me. I love this playlist. I just started a radio based on Born Slippy Nux, and it went well. Right. Where you go, where you go, where you go. All right. Actually, need to delete. Okay, so what I'm doing, I want to show how quick the install is if you're not doing it from the command line. If say somebody just spins up, says, here, I'm going to give you a Drupal, and you're like, well, what do I do with the Drupal? And I'm like, well, you do this. And come on. We're going to start it. Boom, 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 boom. Nope, I don't want all that. Don't want all that. Like if you do it a whole different way, if somebody gives you a thing, this is what you get when you try to install it. So much better than what it used to be. Next, choose a template. We could use Byte. We could use a new starter, just the basics. Yeah, I know admin is not a safe password, but guess what? It's local. I don't care. Then it does all this. I haven't taken my meds yet. I should probably do that. Boom, 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 boom. Now, I am thinking that in the nearest future, in the not too distant future, I might be getting rid of a lot of parts of the good overlay. I think my content is going to be taking a slightly different direction. Game dev section is saturated. And boom, look at this. As a default Mercury theme page, let's edit it. By default, these are all the base. God damn. Yeah, I can reuse a lot of this. What theme is this? I'm guessing it's Mercury. Well, I think so. It says there are a couple of reasons. I mean, I like it. I like it. But the problem is when I want to make shorts, if I want to try and, create content from content, the way that the resolution looks when I try to make a short is absolutely horrendous. Like if can I do this? Where are we at? Got it. Clip that. All right. Bluebug, what up? It doesn't look clear at all. If I try to do it, this is the main reason for it, is trying to think of the content. The recycling of the contents. Nice, Bluebug. You changed your name, didn't you? I know who you were, but I can't think of what or I know who you are, but I can't think of your previous name. That's right. That's right. I know I know exactly who you are, but like, oh. And here, like this one, this one shows it even more. If I edit layout, stacked. Okay, maybe it doesn't show it that well, but but like the resolution is shit there. I guess I could go like Yes. But yeah, I want to get that content flywheel. Now this has me wondering. Look here. Let's add in folder to workspace here. Yeah, that is a valid concern. You know, burnout is real. Wait a minute. I always love Twitch subs, my friend. I need that validation. Love me. Love me. But it's not expected. I'm just happy that people are here, you know? I just love having people to talk to instead of me just what's the word now? What do I say now? Oh shit, nobody's listening, so I could just say whatever I want to. Hot dog babysitter. Waka waka banana. Achoo, achoo, achoo. Flip flop thong. Oh, the prime sub coming at hot. Coming at hot. Coming in hot. Why am I not getting Geodude? What is up? I'm sorry, the glitchy Geo. Welcome in. Thank you for the prime sub. Thank you for the prime sub. Every bit of money that comes from a prime sub goes directly out of Jeff Bezos's pocket. So I appreciate that. There are millions of streamers on Twitch, and you chose to give me your prime sub. My heart goes ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom for you. Gio, I've been suffering from the burnout a little bit myself. So I've been taking it easy the past few weeks, doing 1, maybe 2 streams a week. Just trying to get my brain back in the right mentality for it. You know what I mean? And I think I'm getting there. I think I'm almost there. Don't mind the sound of pills. It's just the sound of pills. They're prescription. I'm kidding. Oh, Gio, I'm sorry. Odious. The number of hot dogs is up to you. Babysitter hot dog. Maybe the babysitter is being made into hot dogs, but that's a whole different movie. That took a dark turn, didn't it? Like that Simpsons, the Treehouse of Horror. You could say, well, Ooter. There's a bit of Ooter in all of us. There's a bit of Ooter in all of us. In fact, you could say we ground up Ooter and made him into your lunch. Wait, maybe not say that. So the bite theme that It's not considered a base theme, which is bull. But is the byte theme considered a base theme? False. You ever tried Soylent? I tried that when it first came out. Some of the nastiest shit I ever ate. Oh, we could get real political in here right now. Hopefully I know how all y'all feel. How this is one of the most inhumane administrations of all time. Unless you're Aryan, is what it's boiling down to. I'm not making that comparison directly. I'm just going to sit here and sip my byte style template. Okay, so how can I extend this then? I did. I have a drinking problem. There it is. Man, part of me wants to wait now, but ooh. What? Do I wait for the new when is CMS comes out like next month, I think. I don't want that. Roadmap should be early 2026, should be in January, I think. So we're getting close to it. Bluebug, you gotta. I think that Assist is probably going to be a better respondent there. I mean, if it's something that you think is worth pursuing, Geo, good, yeah. That vocational rehab is definitely a good thing. I've known. I mean, if I had been diagnosed with ADHD before before I spent all the money, then I probably could have had them pay for my college. Dark. Mercury is a thing. Oh, is it just not installed? Byte. Byte. Oh, it's a byte site. Byte site. Byte site. same. Ranger, what's up? It's going all right. It's going all right. Hanging out with my friends. Ooh, that's what I wanted to check. Installed Gin settings. There we go. There we go. So is it still a thing like in music where, you know, something that I think is hilarious that I love is like this song. And anybody on YouTube can't hear it, sorry, but it's the, high pitched kind of. Jasper over on YouTube, welcome in, and you're welcome. I need to make more, but before I do that, I need to make something else. Ooh, I found a thing. But I appreciate that. Thank you for saying that. That means a lot. But music wise, like I love the like high pitched vocal, another night, another, but then it comes in with like the deepest voice ever. Talk to you, blah, talk. Is that still a thing? Did that happen, or is that just the 90s? Or maybe even the 70s, because like that song Born to Be Alive. Born to be alive. Born to be alive. All right. Let's go back here. Let's go back to working on mine. We'll just build it out. Oh, right on. 2-month vacation. Holy shit. Can you imagine being able to afford? All right. So let's look at reference here. Next thing that we need to, so what I want to do is actually, I think it would be better. Okay, I'm going to review this. We're going to, I think I need to name the page, don't I? Home. What do you mean? Oh, I think I know. All right, this is interesting. Refresh. Wait, did it do a thing? Oh, fine. Page data. URL alias, no. Generate. Save that. Now. No alias. Okay, so. Oh, no. Web service, no, no. No, that's not it. Content authoring. Oh. Ah, there we go. Okay. What in the hell? It's not though. Well, I think I may have messed something up on the back end here. What the hell? And at least the menu looks good. But there's something weird here. Pages. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. I wanted recent log. Logo text. Probably empty. Oh, symbol. There we go. Okay. So figure that out. Symbol. Logo. 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 How low can you go? How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the flow. Is it in layout? No. Okay, so we got that. Let's look at my theme, my components here. Boom, boom, boom. And what was the error here? Component header bar. Text, brand text. Oh, yeah, go in there. URL text symbol. No, that's not what I want. Then branding block. No. Logo. Okay. Theme, logo, symbol. Preview rendering component header bar. Okay, got that. Exception has been thrown. Text null value found. And now this region header is going, you know, it's mainly just going to be my own personal like blog post, video, schedule type stuff. Wait, so system branding block is here, but region header content. And that goes here. URL text symbol, which goes here. I have no idea. I don't know any league stuff. Why is my brain not braining? Template. Logo. Now, where is this being called? This is being called from the header bar. Text, symbol, URL. Okay, we open that. Region header, content here. Ranger, yeah, my brain is like, I've read this thing 5 times, and my brain right now is saying, through you don't need to know what's going on, but it's saying like, the problem is here, text, symbol, URL. Right? Symbol, URL, null. So content, oh. I think I may have an idea of what's going on here. Refresh. You there? Wait, no. I don't know what's going on. Because the page header, isn't doing the thing, or it shouldn't be on here. So why the hell is it even? What the hell just happened? Okay. Everything was working, and then everything started working. All right. There. I don't know what the hell just happened there. Whatever. That's I didn't change anything. I just opened files. All right, so we got that. Now, next thing that I want to put in, let's look at the page template here. That's page front. Let's see, is this considered page front? Yeah, this is page front. Oh, I don't want it to be. All right, let's just close a bunch of stuff down here because we don't need both things open. And if I have to, I will open that up in. Actually, I'll do it here. All right, so page plus page. Put them close so it's easier to what? Okay, these are pretty much the same. So what I should do instead is like block out the stuff and then just extend and are there any changes here? Side by side this. Main. Number a second. There's no changes. Do that. Mm. And what page did I get here? Page HTML. Okay. This works. All right, I'm going to run to the bathroom. I'll be right back. To get a clip of myself here, or if anybody else wants to get it, I want to show off where I'm at with this. And I'm curious, like for this to be a functional game, we're almost there, right? We are almost there. I just need to create the enemies. We have the base stuff. We just need to create like what the variations are going to be. Ooh, breaking the pot. golden skeleton. He must have taken a golden shower. So, yeah. I need a magnet or a suck shrine. But I don't want to be probed without giving consent. Oh, whoa, 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 hey, hey, hey! My bullets are carrying me away. And I'm learning game dev using Godot, working on a scary ass bear game. At least that's a goal. I hope that he's a scary ass bear and not a bear with a scary ass. Although, I guess it really depends on his diet, doesn't it? How scary his ass is going to be. I mean, if he's on a Huel diet like me, it's going to be very scary. But I digest. I got it because I wanted a Jeep. I wanted something that I could take the top off of that wouldn't talk back. Oh, don't come for me. Don't come for me. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Boom. Boom. All right, we're back. Just a stone IDK. Welcome in. First time chat. Good to see you. How you doing today? I'm not doing games today. Oh, I know. I am quick. Now, here is something that I'm unsure about. So, I should have disclaimered. Should have disclaimered beforehand. Okay, it is basic page. No, the other one's a basic page. This one is just not. It's just page. So let's go here and this is something that I am curious about. Yeah, I don't care about that. Let's page front, page. Oh, okay. Okay. I get it now. So I could make a separate template for the page. All right, so people who don't know, there's a feature that you could turn on to have theme debug, right? And what that does is says, okay, here are all the templates that we're looking for. And this is the one that you're actually using. If you use any of these, it will work for this, what you're looking at. Excuse me. And it goes down further and further. You know, region header, I'm using region header. Almost did my poopy pants before trying to make it look like I was going to do a poopy pants. What is up, Jim the Dandy? I need to fix stuff stream-wise. Wait, why? Ooh. Build component tree? Oh, is this part of the problem? There, that was part of the problem. I had the logo in there. If I were to, yeah, the logo isn't going to work there because that's on a custom one. There's a hero. Yeah, I could be your hero, baby. But where is the, I thought I saw the logo. Testing.
Poop
Boom.
jeans.
Boop jeans. What is going on with that? What is going on with that? Why didn't it show? Why is everything broken on Twitch? Let's refresh everything there. Well, the way that it looked, it didn't show like the message itself. It just showed the bar, like a bar, like around. Wee. I heard it. Yeah, we're gonna publish that. There we go. We're gonna go home. Got this. All right. So what I might do here, we're gonna look at CMS demo. We're gonna look at the themes that are part of it. Let's look at Mercury.
Theme base, theme false. What does it? Okay, it's got the Drupal root components. Fine. Okay, it comes from starter kit theme. Content header footer. All right, what does bite me have? Byte is generated from Mercury. So that means I should be able to do a starter kit from Mercury. I'm saying it wrong on purpose. Don't at me, bro. Mercury. Info. Where is it that you set whether or not something can be a starter kit? Okay, good. We got it. We got it. We got it. I kind of want to do this and restart and do everything using Mercury. Saying it wrong on purpose doesn't make you angry. Yeah, uses Tailwind. I can live with that. Yep, we're going to do that. What's it called? Drupal Mercury. Come on, computer. You should know what I'm trying to do here. You should know what I'm trying to do. You shouldn't just correct me. Did you mean this? Yes, that's what I meant. Come on. All right, so we got that, and then back into the README. Like that. DDoesDev PHP. Like that. We got this custom there. I'm just gonna name it. Give it a simpler name here because I don't feel like deleting the other one. Bum, 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 bum. that. All right, we're going to redo a bunch of stuffs. First thing, we need to move this over. Copy you. Copy. Paste. And now, Urgh. Bun? Oh, I think I installed it with buns. Here, I'll try the new model. You. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, that was bad. And do that. Yeah, let's undo that. Breadcrumb. Wait, these components. Uh-oh. Um, gonna get rid of that. Let's see. Oh, okay. This could take a little while. So while we're waiting, how's everybody doing? Let's check and see if I got any notifications. There we go. No. Okay, got that. No. What about you? What about you over here? Nope, absolutely not. Nobody likes me. Guess I'll eat some worms. Right, so we got that. I'm doing all right. You know, just trying my best. I'm just doing the best I can. Waiting for Codex to do its thing. Ba-dum. Okay. I hope you're smart. Be smart, Codex. Dum, dum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum. What? Come on, you can do it. You can do it. It's all up to you. Okay. Ooh. Version is this? New order. Nice.
Hey,
What?
insert rating streamer's name here.
Munglo.
Thank you for the raid.
Munglo.
How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Welcome in, Munglo. Welcome in, Raiders. How's it going? Good to see you. What were you up to? You're just in time to watch me watch Codex. And hope that Codex don't mess everything up, because that would be great if it didn't. That'd be great. nice. Inventory is something that I've never done. I should probably learn that eventually. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, boom, pa, boom, 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 boom. Pa. Welcome in Raiders for those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I do dev, apparently, sometimes. I'm a Drupal developer professionally. Today I'm doing Drupal on stream, trying to build up my own personal website using some of the new features of Drupal. I also do game dev. I also occasionally do music, very rarely. And sometimes I play games. When I do game dev, it's usually broken stuff or stuff that is very, very self-serving, like what you see around me. This whole layout, this whole overlay is built in Godot. Arguably the best game system or game engine. Arguably. And you could argue with me, but I'm the one with the microphone here. So if you like what you see, feel free to drop a follow. Feel free to drop a sub if you got them. If you don't like what you see, you're more than welcome to hate watch too. That's right. We're doing. I'm taking that hate watch. I will take your rage and allow it to feed my desire for validation from strangers. Whoa! Oh, hey, what? Hello. All right, now we're going through the files. Yeah. Is my reference... Did this make it responsive? No, not quite. Ew. So I might end up having to... Uh-oh. No, that's fine. Down. I'm probably going to have to end up... I need it to be responsive. I need it to be, viewable on mobile because nobody sits at a computer anymore except for me. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is kind. Look at this. Preparing to replace a card twig template with a new article-based markup that keeps orientation and style classes but removes tailwind classes. I'll carefully craft. I was reading that card classes dynamically and maintain badge support with nested blocks so old and new usages coexist. It's doing all the things. That's nice of you. Wow. Using a lot of the context, but you know what? If it does this well, I mean, this has always been a part of theming a site that I hate, is going through every template. I mean, if I'm getting paid for it, that's another thing. That's a whole different thing. If it's part of my job and I'm getting paid for templating out things, awesome. But if it's not, then it's boring as fuck. And I don't want to go through and make sure all the variables match up. I want this to do it. discussing? It's discussing. Who's it discussing with? That kind of confuses me. That worries me. Considering a twig overhaul. Hold on to your lug nuts, boys. It's time for an overhaul. Remember that movie, The Mask? That's a great movie. Like, that was peak Jim Carrey. Dumb and Dumber, Mask, Ace Ventura. Okay, Mrs. Pinkman. Are we doing flex? Flex. I guess we're doing flex. All right, so it did branding, nav bar. HTML, what do we have here? Body, page top, page bottom. And we're going to Control Z this. And then take a look at pages here and let's see. Hey! No. All right, it did not work. Oh, wait. Hold on. Gotta clear those caches, yo. Layout. Okay. Why doesn't it have any of the why doesn't it have the like styles applied? What did happen? Oh, that was me. That was me. I don't think I like it. What patterns do I got? Do I got any layers? Component. No, not this. Not this. All right, it's just going to be better to do this. Okay, we're back here. All right, let's look at the um ooh, that's what I need to do. We need to devel. We need to get the devel package and then we need to put in the devel generate. Yeah, there we go. Nope, not composer. The brush. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Holy shit balls. Do this thing? That's cool. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Fig. Devel generate. We're going to generate content. Money. We're going to create 20 quick blog posts. Um, that was bad. Try that again. Did it keep that? Did it keep that? Okay. Why is it scheduling shit? This is what the. Oh. I don't want it to be scheduled. Why is it scheduling? Delete all. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now, as a home page, the hell's this? Remove that block. Yes. Remove. Okay, so we got that. Now, what was the next thing? Let's edit this. Why is there a breadcrumb here? Other. Okay, we've got that latest. No, let's undo that. And we're just going to do latest here. Now, I think that I need to change this to the in the views. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over the canvas. Content view mode card. Okay, structure. Um, the description, weird. Weird. And we're going to shrink this down to, what do I got? What do I got here? Preview. And these look square. There we go. Update that. All right. So in my content here, let me look at the content. One of the posts here, description. I don't want description. I want. No, I don't like that. I don't like that. Um. Content, tags, field. Ooh, can I change the content one? Edit. Ooh, what's this? Oh. I don't want to have the description separate from the content. Or is that? Oh. I don't know. That's getting weird. Or confusing a bit. Not confusing. It's just I want to see what it looks like. And let me look in the views, and if there's a way to change how much text is shown. I don't think so. Not without doing. Actually, this will work. Hidden, hidden. Now let's see the pages here. We're going to take a look at that. Yay. It didn't trim it. Why didn't it trim it? Oh, trimmed. Okay, we're gonna refresh here. We're gonna see. Okay, that's much gooder. Much gooder. I think we could go with less, but hey, prompts, what up? Thumbnail. All right, so there we go. Link image to content. There we go. Let's see. You're welcome. I'm building up my own site. I haven't had one in a while, so I'm doing that. There we go. There we go. And I'm using Drupal CMS for it because I need to get more familiar with modern Drupal compared to, what I do on a daily basis, which is keep old Drupal alive. And so I'm just going through and doing all the templates here. I'm now on to the cards. If I go back here, we're going to start with the cards. Node card. Node card. Which is this. And that is under custom Card. There we go. Card component. That's what I got. Right. I don't think that these are created correctly. A custom content block. There are a couple ways to do it. Let me do this really quick. Props. Where the hell's the slots? All right. So first way, blocks. Now, are you wanting a like you say custom content block? Sorry, words are hard. Are you wanting like a reusable block type? Like, okay, my custom block. Save and manage fields. Oh, media type, what? Oh, yeah, my bad. All right, so yeah, you're a user, you want to expand a page with content, just add a block with image and text. All right, so here's one way to do it. So I've got my custom block. That's my block type. Now with the new hotness with Drupal CMS or with Drupal Canvas is what it's going by. Should be able to I think I need to enable that as a component. And don't let me like put you off from anything here because I'm still learning some of the newest stuff. My job is this end of life open source software. That's my job. So the Drupal that I work with as a daily driver and keep alive. So I'm doing this to get, oh, come on. I'm doing this to keep myself up to date. Oh yes, we've got these out here. We've got these out. All right. What is the element? No. I'm going to take a break. I'll be right back.
Hot crab on crab action. That's right. You only see this normally down in New Orleans. Bit gamey, right on my head. Rig probably gonna win. Ooh, it's not a bit gamey and Rig. Rig has quite a bit more health, but it's anybody's game. Randomizer. Ooh, oh. The anger is rising. Anger's rising. Who's going to be the big winner of the cats? Oh, Rig wins! Whoa, 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 hey, hey, hey! My bullets are carrying me away. This is why you don't let the good overlay happen. It's been a bad idea since the get-go, and now I've just found a way to make it even worse. It's as bad as ripping your dick off and throwing it at somebody. Look at that. Is he gonna come back? Oh yeah, he's coming back. Oh yeah, he's mad. He's mad. What? Watch, watch. Watch him, watch him. Ah, yeah. Get out, fire. That didn't work.
Give me 5G.
Yeah, like let's
All right. Back. Add a content block, custom block. Test block. So if you want to do it that way, let me make sure that in the page with content, just add a block with image and text. And this is one way to do it, okay? But I think now that I'm reading, you might be asking a different thing, which is fine, which is good. But just as an example, now that I do that, Interesting that it's not showing up like it should. But it's entirely possible I'm just misunderstanding a step. Wait, no, that's not it. Block, 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 block. Weird. Okay, so it's obviously something that I'm not understanding here. Because you should be able to just do it like this. Now, let me go to the other site that I built out just as a test one. Do. Because the other one I'm doing all custom. This one, has a bunch of pre-made components that we could toss in here. So let's just say you want to get a section. How's a section in here? All right, header, grid, footer. No, that's the wrong section. Well, that's bad. I'm not selling it very well, am I? All right, so there we go. I'm gonna toss some text in here. There we go. All right, but if we're looking at the section here, go to the layers. Ooh. Let's make it a fitty grid layout. And now let's say we want to toss in an image. There. Weird that it went with the placeholder here. Oh, that's what I did wrong. Image card. Toss in the image card. There we go. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Fitty fitty. So you can have, I mean, this is a component that's created to be reused. It's called a single directory component. It's a huge change to the way that things used to be, where you can define your components here. And I think this is what I'm looking at here. So, and say, okay, it's a basic card, an object. This is what it has. Here's an example. And you can change different things about it in here. And so if I'm looking at card, I think that I'm in the card. Boom, there we go. Card component. This one is called card. Yeah. I think that I might be looking at the wrong theme though. What freaking theme do I have? Okay, yeah, I am in I'm in there. Good. All right. So yep, twig. Now the other way, if you don't want to use the page builder like this, because this is Drupal canvas is made for site builders for changing out stuff without having to run code. But there's still the standard add content. And this has like the CK editor. You could still do all the stuff here, blah, 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 blah. I don't have any, whatever. But okay, so let me do this. Let me do this. Nah. Let me do the like demo site. And okay, we can do that. Custom plot. And I should say that a lot of these features are still in beta. Still in beta. The official Drupal CMS 2 v2 release isn't until January. So one thing that I mean, I've got your quotes somewhere. Notepad. Yes. You see, I took notes. You're judging a book by its cover. That was some damn good feedback. Tired of WordPress, but like using CMSs. One interface to be easy. Right. About content marketing, you're a designer who also codes. This is unsexy. I don't know if you were talking about Drupal or me. Either one's fine. I get it. I get it. Fair. All right. Now this is the demo site. This is what, what it's built to do with some content on it. Now with this, the components should be all built out and available. So it's going through right now, looking for the available ones. And look, we've got all the stuff here. Now, if I were to go to add page content, place items here. It only gives you one place to, oh, right on. But I'm still talking. I'm kidding, though. I'm kidding. I need to look through this and see what's going on. Because even if I don't have it all in the build, like the hero billboard, what's in here? Hero slot, hero content. Which is there. All right, let's go back to mine. And I didn't say add slot definitions. Okay, it did that. And why don't I create a new terminal there, and I can just come back and forth. Rush CR, clear the registry. This is good. This is good. Please scan. Okay, we're scanning. Damn, that's not good. Okay, this is something that I'm not understanding. Boom, 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 boom. All right, I'm changing music to something a little bit easier to. And sorry, folks on YouTube who aren't there. Okay, make that scan. Buddy. Open your eyes, God. God and the United Federation of Planets. No English anymore. That the world is full of stupid people. Oh. Well, I learned something today. Okay. Now let's go take a look here and we'll go back to my theme. Everybody knows. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so I got that here. And this is node card. It uses the card template. I really don't need to be doing canvas for this. I mean, it's good, but it's not what I need. So what should actually be, I should be, what's this? Hide you. this is views row. Uh-oh. That's interesting. Oh, so that is a block. But the block itself, this hero section, what's after the hero section in the HTML? There's another section, container. Okay, I need to run to the bathroom. I'm going to do that. I don't know what you use for enchilada. Why'd that come out like a song? I don't know what you use for enchilada. Whatever you use, I'm going to eat a lotta. Thank you for the comment. Let's clear out this cache here. Okay, back. Let's look back in here. Okay, so we're making the cards. Oh, custom. This one. Got the card component. Oh no. This is. Ooh. Oh, I messed up. I messed up real bad there, boss. Okay. I messed up there. I definitely messed up. We gotta. Doom, 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 doom. Okay, well, I actually think that I might take off. Maybe. Let's see how this goes. There. I like it when it do this. Now, I am curious, while this is going, I mean, we're looking at this one. So there's icon card. CMS demo. Odious, I honestly don't know. Right now I'm just kind of playing it by ear. Trying to, keep my sanity. I think the primary focus of whatever streams I do next are going to be building out my site and building out the next presentation. Wait, what? Okay, there's image. That's image card. Why is that image card? Where's icon card? Oh, card icon. Okay, card logo. That all makes sense. This one doesn't have any of the variables or the variants. Interesting that it doesn't have any. Ooh, what is Tasker? Android app? Is that yours? Tasker. Oh, okay. Wait, no. Yeah. There we go. Right on. Make life easier. There we go. Got that. Okay, what the hell? Block logo content has already been defined in line 5. Um, the block logo content has already been defined in line 5. Oh. Interesting. Since this is under an if, it should work. It should be fine. But there we go. Let's see. Ah. Oh, hello. What the hell? Man? I don't know what that means. Well, we'll find out, hopefully. Let's see. It is the default theme. Um, it doesn't give me the info that I need here. Oh, full error backtrace, maybe. That might. Oh. See if that helps. I don't see where it would help, but what's doing that? Pages. Oh, come on. Well, this is doing something. Yes. Proceed. Yay. Can we get there? Can we get there? Let's see. Okay. Hmm. 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 Are we getting it? Are we getting it? Wonder why you were always there for me. Oh, shit. Clearing that. Come on, give it back, give it back. Got it, we got it, we got it, we got it, we got it. Yes! What the hell are you yelling about? Huh. Oh, everything broken. Good idea, Co. Welcome in. I broke it all. There we go. Whoa. 17 months. Holy crap. Thank you. Thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. I don't know why I don't have an alert for it. I need to fix that. We need to make things like big deal out of things like this. Things are going all right. I'm getting ready to, after everything, I'm going to be, or after I get my site here working up, maybe. Oh, hell. Oh, everything's broken. I messed it up so bad. I'm going to be making a new talk. Wait, so where's the hero actions? There's nothing here. Crappity crap crap crap. So what the hell? That open. Why does it say actions? That's hero. I'm confused here. Very confused. Why? No, not there, not there. Can I? Yeah, let's collapse them all. Oh, shit. Where does that hero action? So these slots aren't even showing. Hero title, hero subtitle, hero actions. Yeah, these aren't showing. Okay. What happens here? That's gone. Button 15. This is why it's broke. Okay. Now what's this do? I can't get anything there. There's hero. Hero got nothing. Is it a different type of hero? Okay, testing. I want the hero. I want the hero, but I don't want the actions here. This is so weird. Layout. Page, no. Page content, no. No. Wait. I'm worried that I'm gonna have to like undo all of this. Um, oh wait, shit. Yep. Okay. Wait, that's content. Hero container, title, subtitle, actions. Okay, then I have messed something up badly here. I don't know how to undo it. We got page. Right, by all accounts, this should all work, but I think the slots broke it. Okay. Okay. So that's fine. Need to get rid of the... Let's get in even deeper in here. Okay. Mm. Okay, discard those changes. Good. All right, we're back to where we started, which is not optimal, but the hell are we gonna do? Okay, node card. Actually, I want to get... All right, we're back to looking here. And where's the preview? Ooh, 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 ooh. Thought I changed grid 3 call. Or did I? Here's the swatches. Then where's the second one? Where's the second one? This was 275. All right, we got that. And then, okay. All right, so we got that. The hero part, yeah, fine. Content. After that section, then what? Well, that's confusing. Why is that form? This has to be coming from page. Page. Layout. Page. Layout content. There we go. That. It ain't so. Whoa. All right. I'm talking in circles. I'm going to take off. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate 2 subs today. 2 subs. That's like a record for me. 3, actually. 3. Good idea. Odious. And, Soulflame. Now known as Bluebug. Thank you all. Appreciate y'all. Let's see. Is there anybody that I want to bug? Yeah, why not? Typical hard worker, welcome in. Just in time for the raid out. Appreciate ya. Have a great rest of your days, y'all. Make sure we're not going into ads or anything. Doesn't look like it. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.